Have you been struggling with loss of appetite, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, fatigue, skin rash, and yellowing of skin and eyes? Is your liver function test report showing something abnormal? Although not so, and yet you are facing some digestive and liver issues. This is the time you need to look into your diet. Yes, diet is crucial for maintaining healthy liver function and preventing it from scarring and liver damage. So let's know what foods you should start consuming from today onwards. Hello and a very warm good morning to all our viewers. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash from Bharat Homeopathy. Today in this video, I will guide you on the best liver detox food that will thoroughly cleanse your liver and support better liver health. So let's start with our first liver detox food. It is garlic. It contains allicin and selenium, which boost detoxification enzymes. Garlic may also help flush out heavy metals and protect liver cells from oxidative damage. You can add it to curries or you can even eat it after cooking it for 5 minutes. The second liver healthy food is grapefruit. It is high in vitamin C and antioxidants like naringenin, which reduce inflammation and help the liver burn fat more efficiently. You can enjoy grapefruit for breakfast or you can add a slice of it to your salad. The third super liver detox food is beet. It is rich in betaines and nitrates that improve blood flow and reduce oxidative stress. Beets support bile production, helping the liver process fats and toxins. You can consume them in juice, curries, soups and salad. Fourth liver-friendly food is avocado. Avocado is high in healthy monosaturated fats and glutathione, which helps the liver neutralize toxins. It is rich in vitamin E, protecting liver cells from free radicals. You can consume them in toast and salad and smoothies. The fifth liver detox and digestion boosting food is broccoli. It is high in sulforaphane, which activates detoxification enzyme in the liver. It is also rich in fiber, supporting healthy digestion and waste removal. You can steam lightly or stir fry with garlic or quick side dish. The sixth liver detox food is lemon. It is rich in vitamin C, aiding in glutathione production. Lemon stimulates bile production, helping digestion and toxin removal. You can take lemon in morning detox drink with warm water and honey, or you can squeeze it over salad. The seventh liver-friendly food is cucumber. It has high water content, antioxidants, vitamins, and anti-inflammatory compounds. It supports liver detoxification and metabolizes liver fats. You can eat them raw or you can add them to smoothies. The eighth liver-friendly food is green tea. It is loaded with catechins which help reduce fat buildup in the liver. It supports liver enzymes and protects against oxidative damage. You can drink it 2 to 3 times a day. The ninth food is kale. It is packed with chlorophyll, which helps bind to toxins and heavy metals. It is rich in vitamin A, C and K, supporting liver enzyme function. It contains high fiber, which helps remove waste through the digestive tract, reducing the liver's workload. You can add them to salad, curries, soup and green smoothies. Now, the 10th liver detox food is black coffee with no milk and sugar. Yes, coffee is actually great for your liver. Coffee contains polyphenols and chlorogenic acids which help reduce oxidative stress in liver cells. Caffeine and other coffee compounds reduce inflammatory markers that contribute to liver disease progression. You can safely drink 2 to 3 cups a day. Alright. So these are the 10 best liver detox food you can consume for better liver health. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related videos. Thanks.